What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Garage from YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. And this is video number 3 down here in Ocean City, Maryland for Cruisin Ocean City 2025. Today was another amazing day with the weather, man. 65, 70 all day long. I'm pretty burnt, but it's been absolutely amazing. Today I filmed at the Inlet. Actually, I'm still here on location at the Inlet before I lose my sunlight, and it's getting to be about 5 o'clock. Everybody's rolling out to go to dinner, so I wanted to do this here. But in this video, we'll be giving away a Bangin Gears clock, which I don't have with me, so I'll put a picture either here or here for you to look at. So to be eligible to win the clock, you need to like, comment, and subscribe to Bangin Gears Garage on YouTube, and that puts you in the running. Once you're subscribed on YouTube, make sure you like and comment on all the videos I shot this week, and it puts you in the running to win whatever I'm giving away in those videos. You could win 1 item, you could win all 4 items. Tomorrow, I'll be back at the Inlet because there's no convention center this year, so the only place to film without doing one of the micro shows is at the Inlet. So I'll be back here again tomorrow. There'll be a whole new array of vehicles. So the cars here are absolutely amazing. So you also should have got a postcard in your goodie bag if you're registered for the show. Use the QR code in your camera that kicks you over to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram pages. Make it easier for you to sign up, okay? So enjoy your week here. The weather's phenomenal, and we'll catch you right back here tomorrow at 6 a.m. with another video. It's going to be Sunday. I know everybody will be leaving home, so don't forget Sunday's video, all right? Drive safe. Catch you right next time on Bangin Gears Garage.
I'm Earl Shive, and for $49.95...
He likes it! Hey, Mikey!
Bath with Mr. Bubble and
1971 Roadrunner.
Can't squeeze the Charlotte.
My baloney has...
What it is, all you foxy mamas and hot rodders, it's time to boogie on down the road, Cruisin Ocean City 2025. Chill out, slamming Ocean City, Maryland. This dynamite video is brought to you by the cool cats over at Bangin Gears Garage. Can you dig it? I knew that you could.
Yeah, you got me thinking, oh, you got me thinking out loud. You kept me waiting, waiting for the next time around. My heart is beating faster than the beat of a drum. Oh, we're all excited, just waiting for the night to come. I'm getting ready, ready, cause we're second tonight. We all fall hard without love. Without